Hey y'all, it's Deanna again with M3 Enrichments, and I want to dive into another concept in pre-algebra. So in this video, I want to talk about order of operations. Alrighty, so what's up here? What's next? Let's talk about this mnemonic here. So I heard folks call it PEMDAS to help them memorize it, though I always found the mnemonic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, very helpful. And let me know if there's any special way that you have memorized this. But this has always stuck with me. I remember hearing it in third grade, and ever since then, it's stuck. So yeah, um, let's go on. Let's see, how do we use this order of operation? What does this mean? Alrighty, so let me just stress that while we're doing this, we always work as though we're reading a book from left to right. Okay, always work from left to right, as you just like reading. We read from left to right. Okay, so the P stands for parentheses. So parentheses, when we have equation or function and there are numbers going through addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or even exponents within parentheses, we want to tackle that first. And let me say this too. It's the same, holds the same true for brackets, if you see those, or even the absolute value bars. We want to take control of that first. Okay. And also, I probably should say this. When we have parentheses, if you have parentheses within parentheses, tackle the innermost first and work your way out to drop those parentheses down. Yeah. All right, so we know what parentheses are. Tackle those first. The next one is exponents. If we have a value, say 2 to the power of 2, we want to simplify this next by just working with those exponents and simplifying it to just be 4 for this case of 2 to the power of 2. All right, and then together we're going to perform multiplication and division, reading from left to right. Which one comes first? And let's tackle it that way. So when we're multiplying, you might have 3 times 7, and we can multiply those together. If we're dividing, you might have 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Okay, so once we've did the parentheses, exponents, tackle the multiplication, division together, then it's on to addition and subtraction. So let's say you have -2 plus 5. Well, that's going to be 3. If we are doing subtraction, let's say you have 5 minus 1. Then we can simplify that to just 4, tackling it from left to right, understanding what comes first. All right. I think our next part here is some problems. Yeah, problems. Okay, let's look at number 1 here. I'm going to rewrite this problem here, and I encourage y'all to try to tackle it on your own first and come with us to do it together. So, let's remember the mnemonics. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay? Tackle what's in parentheses first. What is 4 times 7? Well, that's going to be 28. Now we can drop the parentheses. And look, we don't have any exponents. Multiplication, division. Ooh, we have a division. We have 28 being divided by 2. And that is 14. So that's how we solve that. And we don't even have to look at addition and subtraction because that's not any operations in this problem. Alrighty. Let's look at 2. So we have 15 minus 2 times 5 plus 3. All right, please excuse my dear addition and subtraction. All right, there's no parentheses, no exponents. Multiplication and division, well, we have 2 and 5 being multiplied together. So let's do that first. All right, 2 times 5 is 10. We can bring down everything else. Okay. And now working from left to right, let's see what is being added and subtracted. So 15 minus 10. Oh, we gotta tackle that first. 15 minus 10 is 5. So 5 plus 3. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have 8. Okay, number 3. We have 2 times 5 to the power of 3 plus 11. Okay, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All right, let's talk about this. What's in parentheses? We have 2 times 5 into parentheses, which is 10. Okay, I really need to just drop those parentheses and just put 10 cubed to the power of 3 plus 11. All right, next is exponents. 10 to the power of 3. Well, this is just 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000. So we have 1,000 plus 11. All right, there's no multiplication or division, but we have addition. 1,000 plus 11 is going to be 1,011. All righty. And for number 4, we have 17 minus 8 squared plus 6 plus 40. Okay, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Tackling the parentheses, 6 plus 40 is 46. Bringing down everything else. Bringing down everything else. Now we need to look at exponents. So this middle term is 8 to the power of 2. We need to actually see here. Let's see. 8 times 8. That's 64. So we have now 64 plus 46. All right. And then we have 17. All right. No division. All right. So addition, subtraction. Reading this from left to right. 17 minus 64. We need to tackle this first. 17 minus 64 is negative 47. And adding negative 47 to 46 is negative 1.